want to do you know. NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, and you don't know, so the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Some people, you don't know the thing. So, a video is circulate right now on the media where this person, you know, basically a person who are hiding in our background, and me see the caption say, Gaza fans is sending out message to Vybz Cartel, my people. Well, my viewers and subscribers, before me give you no more take onto this video, me gotta share this video with you all. You understand? Then me give my views and thoughts towards what this person have to say to Vybz Cartel. So check it out.
Teacher, respect you. Leave Jamaica, please. Leave Jamaica, please. Me respect you, your money tall. You can buy us anywhere in the world. See? Leave Jamaica. It's a Mecca club where you constantly go. Leave that club. You see the constantly go up on your live and I show your location. Please stop it. Strengthen up max security. If I did not give them 100 grand a week, give them 2 million a week. I'm going to run everybody file around you. Not trust nobody. Watch Young Police channel. You're there in social media every day. You have artists who rate you. We don't want to see no more artists dead in Jamaica. Right? Leave Jamaica. We respect you. We love you. Gaza. Boss. I watch some video from out here. But them say, hitman come to Jamaica for you. Be careful. Them a track you. Them try to track your vehicle and make them here. Be careful. Leave Jamaica, my friend. Don't trust Jamaica system. Yes, them are corrupt. The justice system, the police, them are corrupt too. Yeah, you have good police or you have bad police. Leave Jamaica. Leave Jamaica. If it not go so, it near for go so. Leave Jamaica. Freedom Street. I know you're going to do that show there. But think. If your powers tell you to do it, do it. If your powers tell you put it off, put it off. Because if them try to get to them a plan anyway. See? You have to go start wear vest and all them things too. Believe it. And the next vehicle you purchase, want to purchase a couple of the armor. Bulletproof them. We don't want nothing there. We respect you. I are the goat. I are run music fraternity. I are the biggest artist right now in the world. Believe it.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, so as you can hear, what this person has say Vybz Cartel need for left Jamaica. Basically, he say cause him life in a danger. You get what me I say? And him say Vybz Cartel need to stop guard the club. You know what I mean? Say I'm always there, the club there and thing with bright light and thing. You understand? But what me have to say, my people, on a real level, like this person, which it can't be anybody, you understand? They can't just say nobody still, you know. You know what I mean? Cover him head in, I want to look at piece of dirty towel and want to look at shades and hiding at some look at dark. Yeah. In some part, it can't make sense because Vybz Cartel, for sure, is a public figure. He have enemy before him go to prison and he have enemy while he come out of prison. It can't be more, it can't be less. You understand? But how for you would just like you go say yo the man for left Jamaica him need for, you know what I mean, him can buy house anywhere in the world and yo Vybz Cartel, do your thing, my brother. You understand? And you go tell the man say Freedom Street like a this of them can't get him and come on man, come on. You know what I mean? Vybz Cartel is a public figure, my people. I tell you, he's like the main man in the world now, everybody I talk about, or the main person in the world. You understand? Vybz Kartel topic even bigger than US election to it look right now. You understand? But as well, me and some viewers and subscribers, you know what I mean? It's a free world, free speech, and people make for say anything. You understand? So this person feel like say him have something and he want to say something towards Vybz Kartel and he want, you know what I mean? That is it. You know what I mean? But me personally, me not go jump up and say, yo, Vybz Kartel, you need to left Jamaica because your life can be in a danger and this and that and that. You know what I mean? As my 7 people, the man we have enemy. You understand? Him have enemy before him go to prison. Him have enemy while he's in prison, and him have enemy while him out of prison. You understand? The man there Mecca, and him feel like he want enjoy himself, him feel like he want give us some money. That a for him choice, that a for him life. You understand? If a man decided to say, yo, he want day at Jamaica, basically, he's not a Gaza fan. You understand? I go say, yo, the man has give him location and this and that. Honestly, you feel safe Cartel, they feel like him in a fear, or him afraid, or him scared. You da feel like he might do these things. He wouldn't have been doing these things, brother. Because number one, you know, and how me pray life, maybe a lot of people look on life on a different perspective. But the way how me see life, my people, when a year time. You understand? When death forward, you can't stop it. You put yourself in a situation and death do come away. That is it. You understand? But as what me I say, my people, I say it already, Vybz Kartel. Go and enjoy yourself, my brother. Go and live life. Congrats to the new Porsche. Congrats to the new mansion. You understand? Congrats to the multiple land and real estate where you're investing in. Because a lot of people see Cartel and them that think say, yo, Cartel this, Cartel that. But this man have mansions and not just one. This man have lands, you understand, properties. This man have, you know what I mean? But as I say, people, it's a free world and free speech. People have mouth, they make for talk and say anything they want to say. You understand? For me, as a Vybz Kartel fan and with this person, what you need to say is just wish Vybz Kartel all the best and wish protection from Jah above. If you is a Gaza fan and you want to say the best for your artist, if you is a Gaza fan for sure, you'd be grateful for Freedom Street and want to go there and just wish for the best. But you would come and I say, yo, the man need for left. You know what I mean? Jamaica and this and that. Which as me say, you look at limelight, you look at spotlight with your mouth, the words them way you say to your mouth. You understand? You just want to, you know what I mean, feel good now. You see yourself on YouTube, see yourself go viral on Facebook, see yourself go viral on TikTok with these things. You know what I mean? But that is it. But here's no Gaza fan, brother. You understand? Here's just the win. You know what I mean? We're blowing from the fun, but here's not the fun. You know what I mean? You're not stand tall. Because if you don't stand tall and be a fan, you either have something more productive out of your mouth to say, you understand, towards the artist, and not something where I go, you know what I mean? But you don't know, as I say, people, free world, free speech. My viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself anyone a day. You don't know, see a one team, a one dream, a one scheme, and a one attacking boss. And just please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official. And stay safe and just do the right thing, my people. Peace out, blessings. Attack.